Hi friends, welcome to Unacademy, India's largest online learning app. We are going to provide you support for IIT, JEE, NEET, UGC, then SSC exams, MPSC, UPSC class 9, 10th, 11th and 12th also. You can ace your final exams with Unacademy Plus subscription. So Unacademy Plus subscription is at flat 10% off discount. So, dear learners, welcome to the class. I am Trupti Deshmukh. I have done my Masters of Computer Engineering. So, I am going to teach you subjects like C, C++, C Sharp, ASP.NET, programming in Python, as well as I am going to teach you the subjects like information technology for class 9, 10th, 11th, 12th, and also computer science for class 9, 10th, 11th, 12th. So, please वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें एंड बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें. So students, let's get started with the today's lecture. So the next thing is Unacademy's awesome special classes. Yes, we are having the live real-time interactions using chats and emojis. Yes, Unacademy के जो हमारे स्पेशल क्लासेस है वहाँ पर आप लोग लाइव रियल टाइम इंटरेक्शन कर सकते हैं by using chats and emojis. Yes, obviously you are going to have poll leaderboards and you can compete with your friends also. वहाँ पर कुछ polls हो गए leaderboards. So उसमें क्या होगा, आपकी पढ़ाई की पढ़ाई भी हो जाएगी and yes you will have the fun with learning. And the next feature of these special classes is you can ask questions using the question tab. You can see the screenshots here. The question, you can type your questions related to the subject and directly send to the teacher also. So ये हमारे Unacademy के some of the special classes के features है. That is, you are going to have live real time interaction using the chat and emojis. Then you can have the live quiz through pros. So pro leaderboards में आप लोग क्या कर सकते हैं? You can have the competition with your friends also, and you can ask the questions using the question tab also. Then next, how to watch these special classes also. देखिए आप लोग क्या कर सकते हो, पहले यू कैन डाउनलोड दी अनअकैडमी लर्नर ऐप. जो स्टूडेंट्स है वो लर्नर ऐप जो है डायरेक्टली डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं. यू कैन गो टू दी गूगल प्ले स्टोर, और आपका अगर एप्पल का है तो यू कैन हैव दी एप्पल स्टोर ऑल्सो. सो वहाँ पर आप लोग अनअकैडमी लर्नर ऐप के लिए सर्च कीजिए एंड यू कैन डाउनलोड दी अनअकैडमी लर्नर ऐप. देन इंस्टॉल इट, डाउनलोड कर. वहाँ पर आप लोग क्या करेंगे, ओपन दी ऐप एंड क्लिक ऑन गेट स्टार्टेड. ठीक है, आपका ऐप ओपन हो जाएगा. Then next step is you have to enter your mobile number and OTP. आपका जो करंट मोबाइल नंबर है आपको यूज करना है. then you will get one OTP and based on that OTP you are going to sign up using the email ID. So next step is you have to enter your full name, then your mobile number will be already registered. Then enter your email address and state of the register. So this is the step to watch the special classes. That's the last step is sign up using the email ID. First one, download the Unacademy Learner app, then open the app and click on get started. Then enter your number, that is mobile number and OTP, and lastly sign up using the email ID. Then next step is that is select the classes from class 6 to class 12. It is what goal you are preparing for. You can select for the competitive exams, as well as if you are going for the class CBC classes 6 to class 12, you can go for that also. ठीक है, CBC क्लास 6 to 12 आप लोगों ने सेलेक्ट कर लिया. उसके बाद आपके डिफरेंट क्लासेस आएंगे, क्लास 6 to class 12 एंड आल्सो द क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर. देन आपको क्या करना है, यू हैव टू सेलेक्ट योर ओन क्लास. देन नेक्स्ट, विच लैंग्वेज यू वुड प्रिफर टू लर्न, कौन सी लैंग्वेज में आप लोगों को पढ़ाई करें. सो यहाँ पर सेलेक्ट योर प्रिफर्ड लैंग्वेज. सो यू कैन यूज इंग्लिश, हिंदी, और हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश, both mixed. Then next what you are going to do, go to the description of this video, the video which I am playing now, and click on the special class link. यहाँ पर special class की जो link है वहाँ पर आप लोग चाहिए. Then click on notify me and you will get denotified 10 minutes before the class begins. And you can use the code to unlock the special classes for free. So friends, what we will study today. So today's topic is publishing blogs, that is web blogs, and how to publish these web blogs. So the contents of today's lecture are, that is introduction to the blogs, what is meant by the blogs, then creating a blog, then using offline blog editors. So we will study these concepts one by one. So let us start with the introduction about the topic. So the modern age is said to be the communication age, and today people like to communicate in a variety of ways and reach is the entire world. देखिए यहाँ पर हम लोग बोल सकते हैं द मॉडर्न एज इज द कम्युनिकेशन का एज आज के जो मॉडर्न जमाना है उसका. And yes, people like to communicate in a variety of the ways. We have seen some of the instant messaging applications also using this. The communication is going to happen. And this is not for the one particular country or the region. This is for the entire world. So blogging is modern tech alternative to diary and article writing. So with blogs, one can write about the topics they are passionate about and reach to like-minded people all across the globe. So देखिए एक ब्लॉग में क्या कर सकता है एक person, he or she can write about the topics they are passionate about. Like I suppose I am passionate about the environment, I am passionate about the fashion. So I will write some of the articles and article writing and diary writing related to the that particular topic, and I will try to reach like-minded people across the globe who are interested for the same topic. So in this session we will talk about what the blogs are, then what their types are, and how you can create and publish your own blogs. So blogs क्या होते हैं, उसके types क्या होते हैं, and how one can create and publish their own blogs. ये सारी हम जो देखने वाले हैं आज के सेशन में, what is mean by the blogs. So now let us see what is a blog. Blog क्या होता है? So देखिए blog is a kind of website. Yes. And the term blog is shortened from the web blog, which is a diary or a journal on the web. So web blog जो होता है वहां से क्या होता है, ब्लॉग का जो है वो शॉर्ट फॉर्म बनाया गया है. सो यहाँ पर देखिए द ओनर ऑफ द ब्लॉग writes on the blog and is known as the blogger or the author of the blog. So the activity or update of the updating or writing for the blog is called as the blogging. So the blogger or author, आप लोग जो कुछ भी कह सकते हो उसको ब्लॉग, either blogger or author, writes periodically about a certain topic of his or her choice, like his or her personal experience, interests, thoughts, hobbies, political aspirations, and so on. So the blogger can provide links to other websites that he or she thinks might interest the audience. So the updates put on the blog by the blogger are called as the blog posts. So blogs usually have a few features that are useful for the blogger and the readers. So a blog refers to an online journal where entries are posted, and the word blog has been derived from the blog. So हम लोगों ने क्या किया, person who writes and maintains a blog is called as the blogger and the art of writing a blog is called as the blogging. So अगर आपको ब्लॉग्स अप टू डेट करने हैं तो उसको हम लोग क्या करते हैं, ब्लॉग पोस्ट कहते हैं. सो ब्लॉगर को क्या करना पड़ता है, मुझे अगर कुछ जर्नल लिखना है या फिर कुछ डायरी लिखनी है, दे कैन पोस्ट इट ऑनलाइन, दे कैन अपडेट, दे कैन शेयर विद द पर्सन ऑफ द सेम इंटरेस्ट. सो इन दिस वे अ ब्लॉगर क्या करता है, ही और शी इज एबल टू शेयर देयर थॉट्स, ideas, some interests, some passions with the other people who may be interested in the same kind of activity. सो नाउ लेट अस सी सम टाइप्स ऑफ ब्लॉक्स। देखिए टाइप्स के भी ब्लॉक्स के भी बहुत सारे टाइप्स होते हैं। सो वो कौन कौन से टाइप्स होते हैं हम लोग देखेंगे। सो उसके लिए पहले एक बात जान लीजिए, दैट इज वेब ऑफ टुडे has millions upon millions of blocks, and there are the blocks which are maintained by the individual, and there are the blocks which are maintained by the companies or organizations on the web, and then there are the blocks which are dedicated to the factual information like news and so on. But one thing is common to all these blogs, and that is that they tend to fall into the categories of blog. That is, first one is the personal blog, then news and views, then company blogs and micro blogs. So we will see these blogs and their types one by one. So first one is the personal blog. Obviously, this is the most common type of blog. That is personal blog. So the maximum number of blogs on internet belong to this category, that is personal blog. And after all, the blogging started off as a way of creating an online diary. Like a typical blogger may be keen on posting stories about their interests such as fishing, dancing or collecting something, cooking and so on. एंड लॉकडाउन की वजह से तो ब्लॉगर्स बहुत ही बढ़ गए। दैट इज पर्सनल ब्लॉग कुछ इंसान का खुद का इंटरेस्ट होता है, सो दैट इज नथिंग बट देयर ऑनलाइन डायरी, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द पर्सनल ब्लॉग. Then next one is the news and views. So this type of blog contains the factual stories about news maintained by the journalists. So journalists जो होते हैं जनरली यहाँ पर न्यूज एंड व्यूज लिखते हैं. So some based on the facts and stories, news and views are going to be used to write a blog. So news and television companies such as the BBC have many professional journalists who post their stories and views about the latest events. So बहुत सारी ऐसी टेलीविजन कंपनीज है, बहुत सारे ऐसे टीवी चैनल्स है जो क्या करते हैं, they are having the professional journalists who post stories and views about the latest events, and the visitors can add their own opinions as well. Then next one, that is third one, is the company blog. Company blog देखिए क्या होता है. Many companies run blogs to let their customers and clients know what is going on the company, and that would interest clients or customers, such as what we can say, new products which are coming up or the progress of the being made on some project. So here हम लोग क्या कर सकते, that is many companies that run blogs, क्यों एक अपनी कंपनी का स्टेटस है, जो प्रोग्रेस है, दैट इज अपकमिंग मार्केट में कि अगर कुछ कंपनी का आ रहा है तो उसके लिए क्या करते हैं, कंपनी ब्लॉग्स जो है वो मेंटेन किए जाते हैं. एंड सो मेनी कंपनीज रन दिस ब्लॉग्स टू लेट देयर कस्टमर्स एंड क्लाइंट्स नो व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन in the company, and that would interest clients or customers, such as new products company coming up or progress being made on some projects. Then fourth one is the micro blogs. Micro blogs देखिए क्या होते हैं, हम वो देखेंगे. So microblog, this is a new type of blog where one can post very short comments that others can follow. So अगर microblog में हम लोग देखिए एक short comment होती है, वो क्या करते हैं, बाकी लोग जो होते हैं वो follow करते हैं. So the best example of microblog, I think you know, that it's already very popular in the market, on the internet, on the online media, social media, that is nothing but the Twitter. Yes, the Twitter is the best example of the microblog, where one can only post 280 characters with each entry called as a tweet. So Twitter पे आप लोग जो कुछ भी कमेंट डालोगे उसको हम लोग कहेंगे ट्वीट. So the entries become a running commentary about one's life and interests. So that is nothing but the Twitter. So ट्विटर इज मोस्ट पॉपुलर. सो आजकल माइक्रो ब्लॉग्स का जो ट्रेंड है वो बहुत ही पॉपुलर होता जा रहा है. देखिए व्हाइल ब्लॉग्स possesses no restriction on number of characters or words for a post, a micro blog generally limits a post to certain characters or certain number of characters, that is for example 140 characters is the limit for the post on the tweet. So these are nothing but some types of the blogs. So first one is the personal blogs, then news and views, then company blog and micro blogs. So creating a blog से पहले हम लोग क्या करते हैं, we will see some of the advantages and disadvantages of the blogs. Advantages and so although blogs are proving to be very useful tools for individuals like companies, news and newsmakers, even blogging has also become the very popular in past few years. But there are some disadvantages also associated with the blogging. So we will see the table of the list of advantages and disadvantages of the bloggings. So I will insert table here. The advantages and here will be disadvantages. So first one is the advantage. A blog enables you to write down your thoughts on anything that interests you. देखिए ब्लॉग क्या करता है, ब्लॉग enables you to write down your thoughts on anything that interests you. आपको किसी चीज में इंटरेस्ट है तो ब्लॉग क्या करता है, उस आपको लिखने के लिए उसको एक प्लेटफॉर्म देता है. देन नेक्स्ट वन इज द ब्लॉग्स आर easy to set up. You don't need much technical knowledge. Blogs are easy to set up. You don't need any technical knowledge for that. So then blogs are easy and quick to update or add new posts. Then people can leave comments on your blog. देखिए blogs are easy to update and quickly update or add the new posts. Then next one is people can leave comments on your blog. So people क्या लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, आपके ब्लॉग्स पर easily comments जो है वो लिख सकते हैं. Then if you want to read other people's blogs, there are literally millions to choose from. अगर आपको किसी का ब्लॉग पढ़ना है तो there are so many people who are writing the blogs onto the internet. So these are some of the advantages of the blog. Okay, now we will see some of the disadvantages of the blogs. So advantages आएंगे तो disadvantages तो होंगे ही होंगे. So whatever you publish is available for everyone. To see. If you write a post in anger, you might regret later. Okay, whatever you publish is available for everyone to see. आप लोग जो कुछ भी पब्लिश करोगे वो इजीली अवेलेबल है सबको देखने के लिए. अगर आपको कुछ गुस्से में कुछ लिख भी देते हो उल्टा पुल्टा, that there are chances that you might regret later because it is publicly available. So personal blogs may be biased or contain inaccurate information. So personal blogs जो होते हैं may be biased or they can contain the inaccurate information also. So blogs can be time consuming. So finding time to write regular updates can become a chore. ठीक है. So blogs लिखना एक time consuming method है तो उसके लिए time निकालो and regular updates करो. So it can become a regular task for you. Right? The next disadvantage is people may leave rude or an inappropriate comments. So people may leave rude or inappropriate comments onto the blogs. Sometimes आप लोग कुछ अच्छा लिखने की कोशिश करोगे but जनता तो जनता है, maybe they will have some other meaning for the same statement also and they can take it wrongly and may leave the rude comment also. The next one, last disadvantage is there are many very dull blogs around. So you may have to look at many before you find some worth reading. So बहुत सारे ऐसे ब्लॉग्स है जो यूजलेस है, they are not worth for reading. So आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, उन ब्लॉग्स में से the blogs of your interest आपको ढूंढने पड़ेंगे and आपको उसको बाद में पढ़ना पड़ेगा. So these are the some advantages and disadvantages of the blogs. So friends, the book which I referred for today's lecture is Information Technology for class 10 code 402 under NSQL. So now it is time to start with today's quiz session. So let's get started with the today's quiz part. So friends, let us start with today's quiz session. So you will be having total 20 questions and each question will be having 1 minute. So let's get started with that. So here is question number 1. What is long form of LAN? Options are A. Local area network, B. Local allocated network, C. Light area network, and D. Locally allocated network. Your time starts now. So the correct option is A. Local area network is the long form of LAN. The next question number 2 is here on your screen. What is long form of MAN? MAN. Options are A. Metropolitan area network, B. Major allocated network, C. Multiple area network, and mainly allocated network. Your time starts now. Time up. So correct answer is A. Metropolitan area network is the long form of MAN. So the next question is here on your screen. What is long form of WAN? Your options are A. Wired area network, B. Wide allocated network, C. Wide area network, and D. Widely allocated network. So your time starts now. Time up. So correct option is C. Wide area network is the long form of WAN. So the question number 4 is here on your screen. Which of the following is not an example of instant messaging? Your options are A. Google Talk, B. Google Hangouts, C. WordPress, and D. Facebook Messenger. So your time starts now. Time up. So correct answer is C. WordPress is not an example of instant message. Google Talk, Google Hangouts और Facebook Messenger जो ये सारे instant messaging के examples हैं. Then the question number 5 is here on your screen. Which is used for sending text messages online? Your options are A. Instant messaging, B. Email, C. Website, and D. Blog. Your time starts now. So the correct option is instant messaging is used for sending text messages online. Correct option is A. Instant message. The question number 6 is here on your screen. We can do chatting on an IM client. True or false? Your time starts now. Yes, it is obviously true that we can do chatting on an instant messaging client. So correct option is A, true. So we will move towards the question number 7. Networks are useful because A. No one copy your files. B. You only need one printer per network. C. The computer uses less electricity. And D. Each user of the network can access files more easily. So your time starts now. So correct answer is D. Each user of the network can access files more easily. That's why networks are useful. Then question number 8 is here on your screen. Internet may be termed as an example of options are A, LAN, B, MAN, C, WAN, and D, all of these. So your time starts now. Yes, internet may be termed as an example of LAN, MAN, and WAN. So correct option is D. All of the above can be considered as the example of internet. Then the question number 9 is here on your screen. The act of writing a post for a blog is called A, blogger, B, blog, C, blogging, and D, blogosphere. So your time starts now. So the correct answer is C, blogging. Yes, act of writing post for a blog is called as the blogging. So the question number 10 is here on your screen. A person who writes a blog is called A, blog, B, blogger, C, blogging, and D, blogosphere. So your time starts now. A person who writes a blog is called as the blogger. So correct option is B, blogger. Question number 11 is here on your screen. Out of the following, which is not the blogging site? A, my blog, B, blogger, C, WordPress, and D, live journal. So your time starts now. So time up. Correct answer is A. My blog is not a blogging site. So question number 12 is here on your screen. Which of the following are Government of India's startup initiatives? Your options are A. Startup India, B. Make in India, C. Both A and B and D, none of the above. So your time starts now. So the correct option is both A and B. Yes, Startup India and Making India. Both are the Government of India's startup initiatives. So the question number 13 is here on your screen. Successful entrepreneurs as role models generate more entrepreneurship. So options are A true, B false. Your time starts now. So, yes, it is true that the successful entrepreneurs as role models generate more entrepreneurship. So, correct option is A, true. Now, we will move towards the question number 14. Entrepreneurship degrades the standard of living. True or false? So, your time starts now. Time up. It is obviously not true that entrepreneurship degrades the standards of living. So, correct answer is B, false. So, let us move towards the question number 15. Which of the following is not developed by entrepreneurships? A. Society, B. Economy, C. Nation, and D. None of the above. So, your time starts now. देखिए एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप जो है ये सोसाइटी, इकोनॉमी और नेशन तीनों को भी डेवलप करता है. सो विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट डेवलप्ड बाय एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप? सो करेक्ट आंसर विल बी नन ऑफ द अबव, बिकॉज ये तीनों को डेवलपमेंट में हेल्प करता है. दैट्स व्हाई करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज डी, नन ऑफ द अबव. So the question number 16 is here on your screen. Which of the following is an example of online transaction? A. E-shopping, B. E-ticketing, C. Both A and B, and D. None of the above. Your time starts now. So both e-shopping and e-ticketing are options of examples of the online transaction. So correct answer is C. Both A and B are the example of online transactions. So we will move towards the question number 17. For entering personal and financial information for online transactions, a URL must begin with A. FTP, B. HTTP, C. HTTPS, and D. Any of these. So your time starts now. So time up. For entering personal and financial information for online transactions, a URL must begin with HTTPS, that is Secure Hypertext Transfer Protocol. तो देखिए पर्सनल और फाइनेंशियल इंफॉर्मेशन जो होती है ऑनलाइन ट्रांजेक्शन के लिए, सो उसकी सिक्योरिटी जरूरी होती है. सो दैट्स वाई सिक्योर HTTP यहाँ पर रिक्वायर्ड रहेगा. The question number 18 is here on your screen. Which of the following OS does not come under Linux OS? That is A. BSD, B. Red Hat, C. Ubuntu, and D. CentOS. So your time starts now. So BSD is the OS, that is operating system, which does not come under Linux OS. Linux ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम देखिए रेड हैट उबंटू एंड CentOS जो है ये लाइनक्स ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम के अंडर आते हैं, whereas BSD does not come under it. So correct option is A, BSD. So the question number 19 is here on your screen. How many sustainable development goals target are there? Options are A 48, B 169, C 15 and D 17. So your time starts now. So there are total 169 sustainable development goals targets are there. So the last question number 20 is here on your screen. How many sustainable development goals are there? A 48, B 169, C 15 and D 17. So your time starts now. So there are total 17 sustainable development goals. So correct option is D 17. That is 1 cell. So that's all for today's session, friends. So the next feature for the plus and iconic subscribers. Yes, we are having the exclusive feature for plus and iconic subscriber, that is raise a hand. So you can now speak to your favorite educator in live class. Yes, obviously you can ask your doubts also. So now you can clear your doubts instantly with an option to have one-to-one discussion with your favorite educator in a live class. So you can participate in quizzes, vivas and doubt solving sessions to take your exam preparation to the next level, obviously. And you can have the personalized and highly interactive live class experiences. So you can use my code, that is TD Live, for flat 10% off. So Unacademy, let's start it. So friends, Unacademy is freedom to learn offer. So this Independence Day, get the freedom to learn. Yes, this is new offer only for CBSE class 9th. So student, this is the exclusive offer for CBSE class 9. That is, we are pleased to inform you that is our new exclusive offer for our CBSE class 9 learners. That is, if you take up a CBSE class 9 subscription for 2 years, then you will get the subscription of IIT, JEE, NEET Foundation and NTSC absolutely free. So what is this IIT, JEE, NEET Foundation and NTSC category all about? I will tell you about that. You can build the foundation for the IIT, JEE right from class 9th. So it is having the structured courses that will help you to crack the multiple Olympiads like NTSC, IMO, and so on. Yes, obviously, and you can win the great national level scholarships. So you can save students 40% on your subscription price. So this is only for the first 500 CBSE learners, and the offer can be availed using the educator referral code. So you can use my educator referral code, that is TD Live. So just this is the limited time offer, and it is valid from the 11th of August 2021 to the 31st of August 2021. So students gets your subscription now. This is at limited period offer. देखिए दोस्तों, अन अकेडमी हर बार कुछ नया लाने की कोशिश करती है. सो इस बार जी हाँ, आप लोगों को जैसे कि पता होगा, you are having the last chance to win free Creative Corner subscription. So this offer is going to end on 23rd of the August 2021. जी हाँ, हमारी क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर सब्सक्रिप्शन की जो चांस है, इट इज गोइंग टू एंड. सो देखिए ऑफर्स कैसे है. देखिए सब्सक्रिप्शन ड्यूरेशन, लाइक अगर आपका सब्सक्रिप्शन 12, 15 एंड 18 मंथ्स का है क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर का, then you will get that is a free Creative Corner subscription for 2 months. So whether it is Plus or Iconic based on your subscription. Then अगर आपका सब्सक्रिप्शन का ड्यूरेशन है 24, 36 and 48 months का, so you will get the free Creative Corner subscription for 4 months. जी हाँ, 4 महीनों के लिए आपको फ्री क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर का सब्सक्रिप्शन जो है वो मिलेगा. सो ये अगर आपका प्लस का सब्सक्रिप्शन है तो आपको प्लस का मिलेगा. अगर आपका आइकॉनिक का सब्सक्रिप्शन है तो आपका क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर का आइकॉनिक का सब्सक्रिप्शन जो है वो मिलेगा. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज दी, अगर आपका सब्सक्रिप्शन का ड्यूरेशन है फॉर 60, 72 एंड 84 मंथ्स का, इधर फॉर द प्लस और इधर फॉर द आइकॉनिक. सो आपको क्या रहेगा, फ्री क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर सब्सक्रिप्शन मिलेगा पूरे 6 महीने के लिए. इट इज टोटली फ्री. प्लस का है तो प्लस का मिलेगा, आइकॉनिक का है तो आपको आइकॉनिक का 6 महीने का सब्सक्रिप्शन जो है टोटली फ्री मिलेगा. सो हरी अप, इट इज लिमिटेड पीरियड टाइम ऑफर एंड यू कैन यूज माय कोड that is given here, that is TD Live, to get the free subscription also for the Creative Corner. So this is your last chance to win free Creative Corner subscription, and the offer is going to end on 23rd of the August 2021. So choice is yours. So with an Academy subscription, you will get with one subscription comes the great benefits like you will get the unlimited access to 7 subjects. 7 सब्जेक्ट्स को आपको अनलिमिटेड एक्सेस मिलेगा एंड यू विल गेट द इंडियाज टॉप एजुकेटर्स टू चूज फ्रॉम. ऑब्वियसली आपको पूरा सिलेबस मिलेगा. यू विल गेट द फुल सिलेबस फॉर NCERT and as well as dedicated plus courses. And yes, obviously without Unacademy subscription, you will be having a lot of confusion. So jaldi kijiye students, choice is after all yours. So subscribe now before it is too late. So the next exams are, I think, just 2 months, right? So you can get the 10% discount on using the educator referral code. So please use my educator referral code, that is TD Live, so to get the 10% discount. So jaldi kijiye, hurry up, the time is getting over. So friends, we are having the mega launch every Mondays, as you know. So here we are having the Laksh Foundation batch for IIT and JEE aspirants. So ये बैच किसी लिए है, देखिए फॉर CBSE क्लास 9 के लिए भी है एंड CBSE क्लास 10 के लिए. एंड यस, पहले हम लोग देखते हैं CBSE क्लास 9 के लिए. इट इज गोइंग टू स्टार्ट ऑन द 31st of the August 2021. 31st August को ये बैच स्टार्ट होगी and we are having the subjects like maths and science with the expert teachers. Yes, obviously you are having the new batches for doubt clearing and NCERT exercises also. And also अगर आप लोग IIT JEE के एस्पिरेंट्स हो फॉर CBSE क्लास 10th, सो यहाँ पर भी आपकी जो लक्ष्य फाउंडेशन बैच है वो 31st August 2021 को स्टार्ट हो रही है. सो वी आर हैविंग द स्पेशल स्ट्रेचेस फॉर द मैथ्स एज वेल एज द साइंस. तो देखिए मैथ्स की जो डेट है वो 1 सितंबर को स्टार्ट होती है एंड साइंस इज गोइंग टू स्टार्ट ऑन द 31st of August 2021. सो वैसे ही CBSE क्लास 10 के लिए IIT JEE एस्पिरेंट्स के लिए एक और सीबीएसई क्लास 10 की बैच रहेगी, दैट इज लक्स फाउंडेशन बैच. It is for maths, it is going to start on 17th of September 2021, and for science it is going to start on 31st of August 2021. So yes, obviously you are having the new batches for doubt clearing sessions and NCERT exercises. So students जो अभी से क्लास 9th and 10th के IIT and JEE के लिए interested हैं, they are having the golden chance for it. And yes, you can use my code, that is TD Live, for flat 10% off discount. So that is बात की students, join our new Laksh Foundation batches. So friends, let me tell you about the basic plan about the plus subscription and also the advanced plan of the basic. That is iconic जो है ये plus का जो है advanced version रहेगा. देखिए plus में जो you are going to have the basic plan to get started. And yes, obviously at iconic you can take your CBSE preparation to the next level with personal mentor. देखिए प्लस के फीचर्स क्या क्या है. यू आर हैविंग द इंडियाज बेस्ट एजुकेटर्स as well as the interactive live classes, then live tests and quizzes, then structured courses and PDFs also. And in iconic में क्या रहेगा, प्लस के जो फीचर्स है वो सारे के सारे रहेंगे और उसके साथ आइकॉनिक में आपको एडिशनल फीचर्स भी मिलेंगे. देखिए यहाँ पर भी इंडियाज बेस्ट एजुकेटर्स रहेंगे, देन इंटरैक्टिव लाइव क्लासेस, देन लाइव टेस्ट्स एंड क्विजेस, देन यू आर हैविंग द स्ट्रक्चर्ड कोर्सेज एंड PDFs also. So यहाँ पर एडिशनल क्या है आइकॉनिक में, देखिए द पर्सनल मेंटर इज देयर टू सॉल्व योर डाउट्स. यू आर हैविंग द लाइव डाउट सॉल्यूशंस, लाइव इंटरेक्शन विथ योर मेंटर्स ऑल्सो, एंड यस ऑब्वियसली पेरेंट कनेक्ट भी यहाँ पर रहेगा, दैट इज टीचर पेरेंट कनेक्शन रहेगा यहाँ पर. एंड आपको आइकॉनिक का स्पेशल स्टडी पैनल जो है वो भी मिलेगा. सो यू कैन यूज माई कोड, दैट इज स्टडी लाइव, फॉर फ्लैट 10% of discount for both, that is on the plus and iconic solution. So you can select the plus or iconic based on your choices. So उसके plans कैसे देखिए, अगर आप लोग CBSE का क्लास 9, 10th, 11th, 12th का लोगे तो ज़्यादा बेनिफिट रहेगा. अगर क्लास 10 का लोगे तो 10th, 11th, 12th आपको साथ में मिल जाएगा सब्सक्रिप्शन का. तो यहाँ पर देखिए पहले हम लोग प्लस का देख लेते हैं. इफ़ यू आर हैविंग द 3 month सब्सक्रिप्शन, देन यू हैव टू पे 7,500 for the 3 months, that is 2,500 for per month. Now if you are having the 6 month subscription, then you are have to pay 10,000 for the 6 months, that is flat 33% off. Then if you are having the 12 month subscription, then you are going to pay 15,000, that is 1,250 per month. If you are going for the 15 month subscription, then you will have to pay 18,000. If you are going for the 18 months, then you will have to pay 20,000, that is 1,111 per month. Now if you are going for the 24 month subscription, then you will have to pay 25,000 for the 24 months, that is 1,042 per month. If you are going for 36 months, then you will have to pay 32,000 for whole 36 months and 889 per month. If you are going for the 48 month subscription, उसमें आपको क्या लगेगा 40,000, 40,000 जो है पूरा का पूरा पैकेज रहेगा, एंड 830 विल बी फॉर पर मंथ. देखिए आज जितना आप लोग ज़्यादा पैकेज लोगे उतना ही आपका बेनिफिट और डिस्काउंट जो है वो बढ़ता जाएगा. सो बेसिक क्लास का 9, 10th, 11th, 12th का आइकॉनिक सब्सक्रिप्शन देखिए, द सेम केस फॉर 3 months, 6 months, 12, 15, 18, 24, 36 एंड 40 months. देखिए यहाँ पर 3 months का सब्सक्रिप्शन जो है वो 12,000 को रहेगा विथ 4,000 पर मंथ. देन नेक्स्ट वन इज 6 months, 17,000 रहेगा विथ 2,833 पर मंथ. देन 12 months का रहेगा 28,000. देन 15 months का रहेगा 32,000. 18 months का रहेगा 35,000. 24 months का रहेगा 48,000. 36 months का रहेगा 66,000 एंड 48 months का रहेगा 83,000, that is 1,729 per month. सो वैसे ही अभी आप लोग क्या कर सकते हो, क्लास 10th, 11th और 12th का सब्सक्रिप्शन प्लस के लिए देख लीजिए. 3 months का सब्सक्रिप्शन आपके लिए रहेगा 7,500 रुपीज़ के लिए. 6 month का रहेगा 10,000 के लिए. 12 months का रहेगा 15,000 के लिए. 15 months का जो है आपके लिए रहेगा 18,000 के लिए. देन 18 months का आपके लिए रहेगा 20,000 के लिए, एंड 24 मंथ्स का रहेगा 25,000 के लिए, एंड लास्टली 36 मंथ का जो है वो 32,000 के लिए रहेगा. And the same case for the iconic, that is for class 10th 11th and 12th subscription, that is 3 months का रहेगा आपके लिए 12,000, then 6 months का 17,000, 12 months का 28,000, 15 months का 32,000, that is 2,133 per month. 18 months का रहेगा 35,000 के लिए, एंड 24 months का रहेगा 48,000 के लिए. ऑब्वियसली वैसे क्या रहेगा, 36 मंथ का जो सब्सक्रिप्शन है लास्टली वो रहेगा 66,000 के, दैट इज 1,833 per month with 54% discount. And yes, obviously you can use my code, that is TD Live, for flat 10% off discount. So student, जल्द से जल्द आपका जो सब्सक्रिप्शन दैट इज बेस्ड ऑन योर चॉइस, दैट इज प्लस और आइकॉनिक, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब करके लीजिए. सो फ्रेंड्स, हर बार की तरह इस बार भी अनअकैडमी मेगा कॉम्बैक ला रही है. जी हाँ, वी आर इंट्रोड्यूसिंग इंडियाज लार्जेस्ट स्कॉलरशिप ट्रस्ट वंस अगेन, अनअकैडमी मेगा कॉम्बैक. सो इस बार you can win the scholarship worth rupees 2 crore. So link is given in the description box. So obviously this Unacademy Mega Compact is on every Sunday, and you can use my code, that is TDLive, for the educator referral bonus. So देखिए, Unacademy Mega Compact बहुत से आप स्टूडेंट्स ने दिए होंगे, कुछ ने नहीं दिए होंगे. So let me tell you about that. So Unacademy Mega Compact Scholarship Test, that is formula for your success in CBSE classes 9 and 10. You can win one scholarship worth rupees 2 crore. देखिए लास्ट टाइम हम लोग जो लिए थे बैचेस उसके 1 करोड़ के थे. सो नाउ वी आर हैविंग द 2 करोड़ स्कॉलरशिप ऑफर. सो आपकी पढ़ाई के साथ साथ यू कैन विन द प्राइजेस आल्सो. एंड दिस मेगा कॉम्बैट स्कॉलरशिप टेस्ट आर फॉर CBSE क्लासेस 9th and class 10. सो डेट लिख लीजिए. द अपकमिंग मेगा कॉम्बैक्ट इज ऑन August 29th 2021 at 11 AM. सो एनरोल ऑनलाइन, लिंक जो है आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे चुके हैं हम लोग पहले से ही. सो उसका फॉर्मेट देखिए कैसा रहेगा. यू विल बी हैविंग 30 क्वेश्चंस एंड 45 मिनट्स फॉर दैट. 30 क्वेश्चंस है एंड यू आर हैविंग द 45 मिनट्स टू सॉल्व दिस. द टेस्ट विल बी ऑब्वियसली अवेलेबल इन हिंदी एज वेल एज इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज. बोथ लैंग्वेजेस में आपको टेस्ट अवेलेबल रहेगी, हिंदी में भी और इंग्लिश में भी. एंड टेस्ट विल बी लाइव, इट विल बी द फ्री लाइव टेस्ट ऑन योर Android application. So जल्दी कीजिए and enroll now for Unacademy Mega Compact. डेट लिख लीजिए August 29 at 11 AM. So you can have the flat 10% off on Unacademy Plus and Iconic subscription. You can use my code, that is TD Live, for both Plus and Iconic subscription with flat 10% off. And you can download the Unacademy app now. Get it on the Google Play Store, and you can download it on the Apple Play Store also. Try it, all of the features for free using my code, that is TD. So students, that's all for today. We'll meet in the next session. Unacademy, let's crack it.